In a shocking incident unfolding in the heart of Maharashtra, a Bharatiya Janata Party MLA and two others find themselves behind the bars after allegedly opening fire on a leader of the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena. The incident took place inside the cabin of a senior inspector at the Hill Line police station in Thane district late at Friday night. Kalyan MLA Ganpat Gaikwad of the BJP is at the center of the controversy, accused of shooting and injuring Mahesh Gaikwad, the Shiv Sena chief of Kalyan and a former corporator. The altercation erupted over a heated land dispute, marking a violent turn in the political landscape of the region.
पुलिस स्टेशन में महेश गायकवाड़ और गणपत गायकवाड़ दोनों का आपस में किसी इशू पे कुछ विवाद था। इसी कारण कुछ कंप्लेंट देने वो आए थे। उसी दरमियान दोनों में चर्चा चल रही थी। उसी दरमियान आमदार गणपत गायकवाड़ ने महेश गायकवाड़ और उसके साथियों पर गोलीबार किया है। उसमें दो लोग जख्मी है और आगे की तहकीकात शुरू है। पूरी डिटेल तहकीकात शुरू है। ये पूरा होने के बाद आपको डिटेल बताया जाएगा।
Ganpat Gaikwad, speaking to a news channel, justified his actions by claiming that his son was being assaulted in the police station. He went on to express his frustration with the political landscape, criticizing Eknath Shinde, stating, and I quote, "If Eknath Shinde is the chief minister, only criminals will be born in Maharashtra." All three individuals involved in the shooting, including Ganpat Gaikwad, have been arrested and booked under various sections of IPC, such as Attempt to Murder 307 and Criminal Conspiracy 120B. The investigation is ongoing with 3 additional individuals still at large. As the political landscape in Maharashtra witnesses this shocking episode, questions arise about the state of governance and the consequences of escalating disputes. Stay tuned with One India News as authorities continue with their search for the remaining suspects and the legal proceedings unfold in this unsettling chapter of Maharashtra politics. We will keep you updating about the further developments.